Day trading the New York Open gives you an edge in the market if you know how to align your strategy with the Open. In this video, I am going to show you how my process is simplified so that New York Opens presents the best high probable opportunities. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Alright, so let's get some terms in. The Open is at 9:30 a.m. New York time. I also have a trading window which starts from 8 to 11 a.m. Now, with that in mind, I come to the screen at 9:15. So anything that happens between 8 and 9:15, I'm not interested in looking for entries there. That is why I let it pass. But I will show you how price action between 8 to 9:15 is significant in getting entries at 9:30. Alright. Now, let's go through the process simple. My process is wait for day 1 and day 2, Monday and Tuesday, to form. So Monday and Tuesday, I'm on vacation. On Wednesday is when I come to the screen. So I start looking at the charts on Wednesday. So it's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm looking for a breakout in my timing window. So that is between 8 and 11 a.m. And then I'm interested in the price action after the breakout. Once we have the price action, I'll show you in a second what type of price action I want to see. I wait for the market opens. And the market opens at 9:30. It has a very specific characteristic that I'm looking for to confirm my thesis, my bias. And then of course, look for the pump and dumps and your entry signals. So let's jump into this video and look at Nasdaq last week. So Nasdaq last week gave us an excellent setup on Thursday. So step number 1, Monday and Tuesday sets the high and the low of the week. Step number 2, on Thursday, I just draw my lines at 8 to 11 a.m. Once we have our lines, we look for price action before the lines. Do we have a range extension? So if we have price breaking out, all we do is just redraw our lines, our new high and our new low of the week. And then once we are done with that, we forget about all that price action and focus on the current price action. So we are looking for a breakout between this time from 8 to 11, and we do have a breakout at 10. Now I'm interested in a very simple thing. So this being the breakout, I want to see price giving me a W pattern with a breaking structure. So when I see this, when I see a breakout, oh, that instrument gets my attention. So what happens after the breakout? Do we get a W pattern or we get a continuation pattern, which is just price continuing down? That is crucial. Price action is king here. Once we get a W pattern, so on this Wednesday we don't have a W pattern, we have price continuing lower, so we are not interested in that. All we do on Thursday now is redraw the new low. And then on Wednesday, on Thursday, process is the same. We redraw our new lines showing the time 8 to 11. And then we redraw our new low because as you can see, price did break through the low. So the lowest point before 8, that is the new low of the week. So what am I interested in? I'm interested in a breakout, and we have a breakout at 8 a.m. Straight away, we have a breakout. So that catches our attention. After we have our breakout, then we are looking for a W pattern. And the price gave us a W pattern here. So assuming from 9:45 you don't have all this information. We only have this W pattern. So you can even check using the line graph and you can see the W pattern. This is the W pattern I'm talking about. And that is before 9:30. So all this is happening before 9:30, and then the break-in structure happens at 9:30 in the open. Okay, so at 9:30 we have the break-in structure. It catches my attention because one thing that happens at 9:30, we have stop hands. 9:30 is notorious for stop hands. So the direction in which the stop hands go, I'll be looking for a reversal of that stop hand, and that is my 5-star strategy. So once we had the break-in structure here, so this candle at 9:30 is 9:30 to 9:45. I just go to the 1 minute time frame. Alright, so this was 9:30, the breakout, 9:30 to 9:45. After we have the W pattern with the break-in structure, then we forget about all this price action and focus on the current price action. What is price doing? Price is breaking down. I'm only interested in a dump or the stop hand. This is the stop hand back to those people who went long at 9:30. I'd be looking for a W pattern with a break-in structure, and this is where we had our W pattern with the break-in structure. So this is where we had the break-in structure. This was the most recent high that got broken. Once we have the break-in structure, we are only interested in a retest with an engulfment candle, and this was the engulfment candle for your whatever pips that you want to take, which is, for me, is 60 pips with a stop loss of 30 pips. Now, this is the one thing that I'll be looking for today, tomorrow, and Friday. So go check it out, backtest it, and you'll see that 9:30 usually gives that stop hand. Now, this strategy, I've created a free course for it. The link is the link will be in the description. Check it out, and if you've already gone through the course, there is a free one-on-one mentorship for those who've gone through the course. So the link will be in the description. Join the Discord group, and then you can access the free mentorship. So if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.